Guys, before we start, please make sure you stay until the end. We'll talk about common mistakes people make when checking fuses, relays that can cost you thousands of dollars in repairs. Stay with us, we'll explain what it is. Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Super quick, very helpful video for any of you trying to find fuses, relays for the oil level sensor, guys, on Volkswagen Tiguan. Now you have that oil level sensor that's underneath on the open that detects how much oil you have in your Volkswagen Tiguan. If you want to see where the fuses and relays are located, if you have problems with it, please do not waste any money on parts, choose diagnostics until you watch that video. It could be quite simple fix. Now guys, after that, if you need to buy any replacement parts and tools, we'll guys share the information in the description of the video below. Check it out and you can see where we get most of our tools and supplies from as well. Let's start on it now. Before we start, guys, every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We show you how to fix engines, transmissions, bodywork, fuses, relays, all that stuff. Now guys, that generation Volkswagen Tiguan will have many hidden fuses. Fuse boxes, different fuses, mega fuses, relays that are not accessible. That's why guys, we made one special video that's called Volkswagen Tiguan Fuse Box Location and Diagram video that can save you thousands of dollars in repairs. Check it out, it will be on our website. Now guys, we will be making video about every single fuse, every single relay in that car. Let's say you're in the middle of nowhere, you need to find where your fuel pump fuse is located. All you have to do, come to the channel, watch for a minute or two, replace the fuse, you're back on the road. Our mission is to save you money, guys. That's why we made more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels that can save you thousands of dollars in repairs. Oh, and by the way guys, if you need to buy any replacement parts and tools, check out, we'll share the links in the description of the video below, guys, and you can see where we get most of our tools and supplies from as well. Let's start on it now. So guys, the oil level sensor fuses and relays, most people assume that they're actually under the hood right here in the main engine fuse box facing the engine on the right side, on the driver's side. It's that fuse box here, but it's not, guys. Where it is? Well, that sensor is actually on the inside. If you open the driver door, that fuse for that sensor is on the left side under the steering wheel. We have a hidden fuse box. Oh, by the way guys, we have a video on our channel that can save you a ton of money. It's called VW Tiguan Fuse Box Location and Diagram. It will teach you about all your hidden fuses, relays, and you have quite a few of those in your car. Check it out. Oh, but before we continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. So guys, now let's talk about common mistakes people make. When people see a fuse, okay, let's say they pull a fuse and they try to check it out, okay, they look at that fuse, okay, and they assume, okay, it's good, it's bad, but sometimes you cannot clearly tell if a fuse is good or bad. And you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in, you start wasting money on parts, tools, diagnostics, module, and you go to repair shops for something that could have been quite easy fixed, such as a bad fuse. So always test your fuses, quite easy, guys. By the way, if you want to see, we have a special video on the channel how to test the fuse, but it's quite simple and often, okay, you can actually even test fuses without removing them to figure out, guys, okay, if these fuses are good or bad. For instance, mega fuses, there is no way that you can check if the fuse is good or bad. The only way is to test them, guys, to find out, okay, if these fuses are good or bad as well. Very important. Now, if you want to see how to test a fuse, detailed video how to test a relay, we have special videos about that, and we'll share the information in the description of the video below. So coming here, the fuse that we need to check, guys, okay, right here, okay, you see that row of fuses with the mini fuses. Under the fuses you see a number with very small digits, guys. Okay, it's really hard to see that number, but fuse number 13, it will be that fuse. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5th fuse from left to right in the middle row. That's the one that you will, guys, need to check. If you still have problems, you may want to consider checking BCM body control module fuses, relays, and engine computer fuses and relays as well. These videos will be on the channel if you need help with them. As you saw, guys, okay, this Volkswagen Tiguan has all kind of different fuses, mega fuses, standard fuses, mini fuses inside the car. You have different relays, mega fuse packs, all that stuff. If you want to see where you can buy replacement parts, tools, fuses, relays, guys, we'll share the information in the description of the video below. Check it out. Our mission in the garage is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, guys, please subscribe to the channel, like the video. That way we can keep making these absolutely free videos for you. Hopefully the video will be helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. We'll have video about every single fuse relay in that car. Thank you for watching. See you guys next time.